In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create automations using AI in Jira. To get started, open Jira and log into your account. Once you are inside the platform, go to the area where your work is organized and select the project space you want to use. This is important because the automation will be created within that specific space, so make sure you are working in the correct project before moving on. After you've opened the right project space, click the three-dot menu. From there, choose Space Settings. This will open the configuration area for that project, where you can manage different options related to workflow and setup. On the left-hand sidebar, look for Automation and select it. This is where Jira allows you to build and manage automated rules for your team. Inside the Automation section, select Template. Templates are a useful starting point because they give you pre-built automation structures, which can save time and make the setup process much easier. In the template area, you will see the Rovo AI Agents options. These are AI-powered automation templates designed to help with common tasks in Jira. Choose one of the available templates based on what you need. For example, you may select Use Rovo Agent to triage bugs in Jira, or use Rovo Agent to assess work readiness in Jira. Pick the option that best matches the workflow you want to improve. Once selected, Jira will take you to the automation that has been created by AI. At this stage, take your time to carefully review the diagram and the rule structure. This part matters because the AI gives you a strong starting point, but you still want to confirm that every step reflects the process you actually intend to use. Look closely at the sequence of the automation and make sure it matches the workflow you had in mind. If something doesn't look right, modify any part of the rule that doesn't match your intended behavior. You can adjust the triggers, conditions, or actions so the automation works exactly the way you want. It's also a good idea to manually click into any generated block if you need to refine custom fields or change drop-down criteria. Small adjustments here can make a big difference in how accurate and useful the automation will be once it runs. Once you've checked everything and you are confident the setup is correct, select Save and Enable at the top to put your rule live. That's it. Your AI-powered automation is now active in Jira and ready to support your workflow. Thanks for watching.